Hello IT Ninjas. In this video we will replace a battery on an APC UPS 2200 racked unit. These steps can be performed while devices are connected without interruption. However, you may elect to plan and perform these steps during a scheduled maintenance window. First, unbox your replacement battery and save for the optional battery recycling program APC has available. Detach the UPS front panel. 3 screws will need to be removed: top left, top right, and bottom right. Detach the battery coupling and turn the cable. You may hear a beeping sound indicating a disconnected battery. Slide out the old battery. Grab the replacement battery and insert into place. Reconnect the coupling and tighten the 3 screws. Set the LCD options, new battery, installed, and date. Reattach the front panel. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel and get future content. If you found this video helpful, feel free to bookmark this channel and link in your browser knowledge base or ticket for future use. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.